Hi, Ina! Balita ko, aalis ka na papunta sa bago mong journey. Mamimiss ka namin. Enjoy ka lang. Be happy. And good luck and God bless sa new journey mo. Sana'y pagpalain ka ni Lord doon at mag-succeed ka. Makamit mo sana yung mga pangarap niyo sa buhay. Thank you and have a blessed day to you. Bye-bye.
Hello. We miss you here. We hope all the best for you in Perth. Everything goes well. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. See you.
God bless.
Anna, how are you, my lovely girl? We're gonna miss you so much and all the best wherever you're going, darling. We wish you all the best from all our heart. You deserve every small thing in your life. Danata doesn't need people like good people like you. They need the people like how they're all here. Look after yourself and always call us. And anything you need, we're all next to you. We love you so much. Look after yourself, Sissy.
Bye.
Bye-bye, lovely.
Only myself.
Yeah, only she will get the video.
Bye-bye, darling. All the best.
All the best. You have a good time there, okay? We miss you.
Make a find the partner also.
Is she there?
No, this is video.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hope everything good over there. So when you feel lonely, you come back to see your sister in Melbourne.
Diana, we miss you. We wish you good luck for future and hopefully see you soon. The future? Yeah.
No, don't delete. Just
we wish you all the best, darling. We know you're a very good
and good luck.
And remember, no be racist.
Yeah. Anong tanga to?
Parang tara to. And we're going to miss you here. Hopefully you come back to Donata and we'll all be shining.
Yeah.
I know you'll do an amazing job.
Thank you.
And good luck.
Yes, thank you. Yeah.
Hi, Vienna. Keep up the good work. Take care and good luck.
Hi, Vienna. Happy journey. Take care of yourself. Enjoy yourself.
Yes.
Hope you have a good journey. Always succeed in life and look for the future so that your future is bright and keep learning and keep progressing. I know you were out of Donata, but I wish you all the best in the future. When you're going to Perth, please learn everything and be a good chef, be a big chef someday that I can come and work with you.
Oh, thank you.
Best of luck.
Yes. And you?
Diana,
Yeah.
best of luck for your future. Okay, I hope you be a good chef and come back to Donata. Okay, please don't be like your sister.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Ano masasabi mo kay Ina? Aalis na siya sa Sabado.
I miss you.
Welcome. Go on your new journey in your life. Yeah. Thank you.
Where?
Perth.
Huh? Con who what? Hello. What have you say?
That's it. That's it. Yes, hello.
That's it, lucky. Oh, you lucky.
Hello, Vienna. I just heard you're going to Perth, which I'm really happy and excited about. I'm actually more excited than you might. I mean, whatever. All the best for your future. Keep going ahead. Keep rocking it. You'll be very good. You're amazing. You're nicest soul ever. Just, relax, take your time. Everything's gonna be fine. You're doing an amazing job. And it was really nice working with you here anyway. And I will annoy your sister more than you, so don't worry. And have a good day.
Sabi mo kay Ina.
Ina, mamimiss kita. Wala nang gagawa ng tax ko. Tawagan pa rin kita. Good luck and we love you.
But it's in the Perth, so she's going in Perth now. What did I say?
Go for it, Maram. Go for it. What are you waiting for? Go for it. Perth is beautiful.
Hi, Vienna. We miss you here in Donata. Your sister says she's very lucky you gone forever. Have a good day and a best of luck for the future.
Thank
Hi
you.
po, tita. Kamusta ka po? Sana po masaya ka po sa bago mong bahay. Sana po okay ka lang po dyan. Bless you po. Love you po, tita. Miss you po. Bye po.
Hi tita, congrats po sa new work mo. Sana maging masaya ka po sa bago mong trabaho and ingat ka po dyan palagi.
Congrats po tita sa trabaho mo po. Sana po mag-ingat ka po lagi. Miss ka na po namin.
Bye, love you.
Bye po.
Ina, lagi ka mag-iingat. Masaya ako kasi natutupad mo na ang pangarap mo. Basta wag mo kakalimutan laging magdasal. Always stay your feet on the ground. Basta sinasabi ko naman sa'yo, di ba? Pag nagsara ang pinto, magbubukas ang bintana. Huwag mong kakalimutan laging magdasal at magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga achievements mo. Masaya ako para sa'yo. Mas galingan mo palalo. Lagi ka mag-iingat ha. Dito lang kami para sa'yo. Mahal ka namin.
Sup, G? Galingan mo sa bago mong hood, ha? At sa bago mong hustle work, okay? Alam ko naman kung paano yung mga motions mo. Kasi alam ko, kasama mo ko since day one. Hindi, joke lang. Yun, mag-ingat ka, te. Sana masaya ka sa bago mong work. At galingan mo dun. Alam ko naman, pulida ka gumawa sa Basta mag-ingat ka lang lagi. Ingatan mo yung sarili mo at good luck sa bagong journey na tatahakin mo. At lagi ka lang magdasal sa mahal na ama kasi gagabayan ka naman nun. Okay? Lagi mag-pray kay G.O.D. Mat sa love sa suporta. Ingat ka. Peace out, yo.
Na, alis ka na. Mag-ingat ka na sa bago mong work. Huwag mo kakalimutan magdasal. Kayong dalawa ni Bajoy, alam, huwag kayo mag-away, mahala ka, magbigayan kayo. Tatawag ka na lang lagi pag may problema. Nandiyan lang naman si ate mo, si kuya mo. Pagka hindi mo kaya, huwag kang magtiis. Lumipat ka ng ibang lugar kung hindi mo kaya. Kung kaya mo naman, magtiis ka. Daanin mo lahat sa dasal. Kahit nakalaban mo lahat, basta siya lang nakakampi mo. Okay ka lang. Kami yan, mga nararamdaman mo, huwag mong papaliwalain. Pa-check up ka. Huwag mong palayain. Sana makapunta rin ako dyan. Huwag niyo kalimutan yung papa niyo. Kahit kalimutan nyo na ako yung papa nyo, bilang kami. Kasi lagi nyo lang alalahanin. Okay, ingat kayo dyan. God bless you. Happy trip. At good luck sa iyong bagong work. At kasama ka dyan sa mga bagong katrabaho mo. Kailangan mo magayin kayo makisama para hindi kayo pag-initan. Tinitiis na pasensyahan mo yung mga pagkukulan ng mga kasama mo dyan. Ikaw na umunawa, ikaw na magpasensya. Pag kami problema, huwag mong idaan kung kani-kanino, irentahin mo na kung sino ano, kasi alam mo naman yung pagka chinismis mo yan, iba na dati niyan sa ano. Kaya pagka mayroong chika o mayroong kang gusto ipaabot, may masama na naman ka, rektahin mo na kagad, huwag kanino mo pinapadaan. Ha? O sige, ingat kayo dyan ulit. Yan lang ano ko, stay your feet on the ground. Ha? Okay, bye-bye. Love you.
Hi. God bless you, anak. Maging good luck, maging success ang iyong paglipat. Gabayan ka na mahal na ama, mataas-taasan at mahal na inang gumamela sa'yo. Maging success ang iyong buhay, ang iyong trabaho, maging maganda ka, ang iyong maging malakas ang iyong katawan lupa.
Huwag mong kakalimutan tumawag sa mahal na ama at mahal na ng mga militaries lagi, araw-araw. Kayong dalawa ni Badong, God bless you. Good luck at maging magandang inyong buhay ang inyong trabaho. Maging mabait sa iyo lahat ng inyong kasamahan sa trabaho. Salamat. Huwag mong kakalimutan Papa Jill mo. At saka ang iyong mga kapatid, lalo na si Mary Queen sa Agabao at si Ken Agabao. Salamat anak, I love you. At si Princess Kate Agabao at si Perry Christie Agabao. Mga kalimutan mga ate mo. Salamat. God bless you. Ingat lagi. I love you.